Hey guys, welcome to Boerum Hill in Brooklyn. I know it, they got me to Brooklyn again. It's because you guys love Brooklyn. Today I'm so excited. We're gonna go tour this stunning townhouse at 313A. That's right, 313A State Street with Rachel. She's fabulous from Compass. Can't wait to go. I mean, let's check it out. Thank you so much. I'm with Rachel Pfeiffer from Compass, and she has this beautiful, beautiful two-family townhouse here in Boerum Hill. Thank you so much for letting us come.
You're very welcome. What made you come here?
Honestly, you would be surprised, and I don't like this because I'm a Manhattan girl, but so many people wanted us to do more Brooklyn. They like Brooklyn. These neighborhoods are beautiful. You have more sky, more trees. It's so quiet. It's like an oasis.
It's so quiet and so beautiful.
It really is. So people ask for it. So we're here.
And we have an elevator, by the way, just so you know.
And yes, so an elevator. Who doesn't want an elevator? By the way, if people tell you townhouses you don't need an elevator, I get it, but you do. Because what about when you're taking luggage on trips? Or if you want to go up to, I think there's some roof space here.
2 roof terraces and a wet bar, and you have a pantry to store food and wine and beer and have a party.
So I would definitely be having a party up there, which means I would want to take all of the food up there. So an elevator is essential, I think. Or at least if you can have one, why not?
It's nice. It comes in handy. You can exercise through the stairs, but elevator is good.
I love it. Okay, so tell me more. It's a two-family. How big is this unit?
This unit is 2,750 square feet, 2 floors of bedrooms. Okay. So 1 floor is a primary floor, I call it, like a primary residence floor or whatever. There's 2 primary master suites. One is a master, one is a junior. And then you go downstairs to the next floor, which is 2 bed, 2 bath. And one of the bedrooms is ensuite bathroom. Mm-hmm. The primary has a very nice, large, 2 vanity bathroom. You have a washer dryer, huge, large washer dryer. Who doesn't want that?
No, you need it.
And you have a ginormous backyard, gorgeous and private and quaint. You can put your grill here. You can put it on the terraces. You name it, you have it.
I love that. And so the outdoor space is for this unit?
Only for this unit.
I love it. And then the second unit, how big is that?
So the second unit, which is a 1-bedroom garden, we call it a garden unit. It's like about 1,000 square feet. It's
nice.
1 bed, 1 bath, but it has a very nice sized basement that you could use for a media room. Some people have opted to use it as a master because it's quiet and they can sleep there and use the upstairs for entertainment and work.
So this is one of those things that we like to call a perfect mother-in-law suite. If you maybe have young kids and you want help, so your parents are coming out and they're gonna stay with you for a while, why not put them down there? Or if this is your first purchase, you just want a little extra income, why not put them down there? Or if you are now working from home and you have little ones running around all day and you don't want them to be near you when you are working, you can go down there and make it your office. There really are so many options when you have a two-family.
Also, some people opt to do it as an office, like really their work space. It's a really nice space.
Yeah. It sounds like a great size.
It is. Very nice size, yeah.
And I mean, what better commute than I walk to another door in my building?
And just the way this unit is situated, there's 11 subways nearby. I mean, how could you go wrong?
Okay.
You can go anywhere.
So let's talk about that. People who want to get out of the city, especially, they want to come out to Brooklyn, right? This is a great area because you can get to anywhere.
Anywhere. You can get to Lower East Side, downtown, Fidei. You can go anywhere. The green line is here, the yellow line is here, 1, 2, 3, the red line, and right across the street is the ANC. It's just, you name it, you have it.
That's like everything.
On the corner, also you have Brooklyn Fair, which has everything organic. The cooked food is great. All the selection is so very well prepared. You've got Target, you've got Trader Joe's, you've got Whole Foods, you've got everything. And Macy's is around the corner. You've got a large Marshall's like Home Goods. Not missing anything. And the last thing I want to say is the Barclays Center.
Okay, first of all, when did Boerum Hill get all of this?
It's awesome. You have to walk the neighborhood just to see it. It's just wonderful.
I feel like Boerum Hill for a while was like not this cool and hip.
Not anymore. No.
Everybody must be coming to Borum
You're
Hill. It's
dated.
changing.
You're dated.
I am. I probably am. All right. So, guys, Borum Hill's really cool.
Cool.
You have to come
Really
out. And this townhouse is listed at,
4825.
okay, and what are the monthlies on it?
1400.
Oh, that's not bad at all. So that's another really big
A
thing.
little less than 1400.
Okay, yeah, perfect. So that's another thing is a lot of times when people look at townhouses, they think, ooh, I have to do all of my own maintenance. But the truth is, that's what you hire a company for. I don't know anybody in New York City that is getting on the roof and redoing it themselves. That's not how people do things here. There are companies you can hire to do everything. And then throughout the year, you're just paying your taxes.
Give it a break. It's brand new. You don't need anything to do on the
Oh my gosh, I love you.
pristine.
You're
I'm
so
not
right.
kidding.
You're so right.
Just bring in your toothbrush. That's what they say, right?
Yes. Well, I will say this place for sure. So you're right. You don't even have to worry about all of that stuff because it's
Rude.
so new. Won't happen for a long time. I love it. Anything else that we should know about this beautiful two-family? Big, beautiful living room when you come in.
And the noise. Did you hear anything while you were here the whole time? You don't hear any outside noise.
You're right. You hear absolutely nothing.
Nothing.
That is really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you get quiet, close to everything. Brooklyn Fair, Whole Foods, everything. You're close to downtown Brooklyn, Barclays Center, all the transportation you need.
Everything is at your fingertips.
I'm like,
Who doesn't like Target nearby?
I mean, I live by a Target, so I understand. It's needed. It's needed. So yeah, bring your toothbrush. Let us know. I'll give Rachel a call.
And some clothes with the toothbrush.
Yeah, I mean, do what you'd like. You're home. But if you leave the home, I think the people would appreciate the clothes. Just kidding. I love it. All right. Well, thank you again
You're
so
welcome.
much.
Thank you. Thank you
Thanks.
for coming.
I think I might end up taking this book because somehow I make the world's worst coffee all the time. I follow the instructions. I've tried it probably 15 different ways, but I always make the worst coffee. Thank you so much for tuning in for this week's episode of Luxury Living New York City. And if you would like to come and see this stunning townhouse, I for sure would again, give me a call. My information is in the description box below. And of course, we at the Wheelock team would love to be your real estate resource of choice for here or anywhere in the world you are looking to go. Bye, guys.